Hey guys, Rolando from ReveMoto. So today we're going to be doing a removal of a 2010 Toyota Prius side view mirror. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification. And also, if you guys need this mirror for your vehicle, you can also purchase that at ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source. So let's get started. So a couple of simple tools that we're going to be needing. It's going to be a flathead. Be a flathead screwdriver right there. A screwdriver. Like that, and a socket wrench with a 10mm socket. Alright, so we can go ahead and open the door. So on this vehicle right here, you're gonna have to remove the cover plate. So if you guys come right here, there's a plate right there. So all you do is remove it. Probably easier on top. Just take that off, put it to the side, and you have like 3 bolts right here. But as you can see, there's like this long wire. If you pull it out, it's stuck back there. So you gotta take off the door panel. Alright, so take off the door panel, you gotta take this cover off. So get a flathead. And it'll come right off like that. Then get your screwdriver and take that off. Then like right in here, there's another screw. Go ahead and take that off. Go. And then we're gonna go ahead and pry it off and see if, do it gently, see if there's anything getting stuck. So go to one corner, pull it like that, go to the other corner, pull it off like that. I feel like it's getting stuck. Let me see. Oh, okay. So you just kind of pull up and then to the side like that. And then, you know, for video purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off a little bit long. Take it off like that. Alright, so if you guys come around this side right here, you guys can see there's a cover right here, and this wire goes all the way from inside the door panel all the way to this hook right here. So we're gonna take off this little panel. Alright guys, so 10mm right here. Go ahead and take it off. And that's how it looks. Go ahead and take this cover off. Like that. And then, before you unhook it, go ahead and take off the bolts. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take off these 10mm right here. So again, don't take off the wire just yet, because you don't want the side view mirror to fall down. So go ahead and unloosen it. And once you unloosen, you can actually take your fingers and just go ahead and untie it. So I know some people are gonna ask me why I'm not using impact gun. It's because I can use it. If you have it, use it. It'll go by a lot faster to taking it off. But just for, you know, general purposes that people don't have impact guns here and there, they usually have like your regular socket wrench. So that's what I'm using. So right there, it's already trying to fall off. Just hold it up, take off that last bolt. Alright, so go to the other side. and you can just go ahead and wiggle it off. So you can go ahead and wiggle it off like that, but continue to hold it, and then with your other hand take off that plug and then slide it out like that. Alright, so to put it back on, all you do is slide that wire back in. So make sure you go behind the if you guys go back here, I can show you to go behind the panel. So remember, insert it in there and then grab it, that little hole right here. And then once you guys have it, go ahead and hook it up. So just in case that the side mirror falls, it doesn't completely fall down on the floor. There you go. So you should hear that click. Then you see this guide point right here? It's like a little guide. So you take that and it should go right here. Okay, so guide it right there. Oh, this one right here. Apologize. This one right here. And then guide it in there. Continue to hold it and then come back here. And you should go ahead and use your fingers. Tighten it up. Alright, so again, if you guys have that impact gun, this is not the time to use it. So you don't want to tighten it too much because you're going to break that stud. Remember, this is made out of plastic and all that's holding it is like plastic pieces. So you don't want to break that stud or it's going to break the whole mirror and it's unusable at that time. So use a wrench, tighten it up on one side. So when you feel it like kind of tighten up, just put like one little twist, not too much. Then go to the next one. There you go. The next one. And there you go. So that's all you need. You don't want to put too much pressure on it. That might break the mirror. Then you can actually like kind of wiggle the mirror and you know it's sturdy. Okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and put everything back in place. Alright, so I forgot. Before you actually put the whole thing back together, make sure you turn on the car and all the features work. So make sure the mirror goes left to right, up and down. And also if it has a turn signal, make sure you have that turn signal working. Okay? Alright, so now I'm going to put that cover back on. There you go. And then with this door panel right here, it goes over first. This little ledge right here. So that little ledge, you put it over like that. You press down on it, and if something like this falls, like that, let's go ahead and find it. And it's right here. And just clip it into place like that. Okay. So now go ahead and align the door panel, and if you line it up correctly, you push it down like that, it should click into place. You're gonna hear that click, and that identifies that the door panel's in place. Or you can kind of wiggle it You see it's not coming off, so now you're good. So go ahead and put those screws back into place. So there's gonna be, actually they're both the same size. I thought there was something different, but you can't go wrong with either screw. Tighten it up. Put the cover back in place. You should hear it snap like that, and then kind of press on it. It should be good to go. Last one right here. And then last but not least, go ahead and put that last cover in place. Alright guys, so that's how you put on a 2010 Toyota Prius side view mirror. Hey guys, I do want to thank you again for watching our great videos. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, the ones that you guys see in our videos, or anything else, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. We sell bumpers, taillights, headlights, touch-up bottles, everything that you need for your vehicle. Go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted and accessories parts store. Also, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification for more great videos like this one.